Welcome to another edition of Black Tech Tutorials. In this tutorial, we will look at setting up a WordPress website, the one, two, threes of it, and how quickly it can be done. I'm using HostGator as my website hosting company. You can use whatever you like, but we'll use HostGator in my presentation. So first thing you want to do is, of course, sign in. If you don't have a HostGator account, you will have to create one. Sign into the account. And with HostGator today, WordPress is part of most packages that they offer. So let's sign in and get to work. Also, we'll have a download of a template that will make it a whole lot easier. But you do not have to have the template to get WordPress going. So once I'm logged in here, to the right on the control panels, there is a install WordPress option. And we're going to select that option. And that should bring us to an installation page where we will need a domain. So if you do not have a domain, I will have a tutorial up for that of how to set up a new domain. Here I will use an existing one that I have already. Again, if you don't have one, you will need a domain. That's where the website will live for your WordPress. So in this case, I'm just going to use the consulting one that I have, and I'm going to create a directory under that one. In the directory will be WordPress tutorial 1. And here, if you notice below, you can let the pros do it for you for $399, or you can get the turnkey for $199 or a starter for $99. However, we're going to do it for free ourselves. So I hit the next button. Here we just give it a title. This is going to be BTech WordPress tutorial. The admin user, let's just say BTech admin, and first name would be BTech, last name tutorial. And of course, you would put whatever you desire there. Email, I'm just going to put test@btech.com. So notice the checkbox, automatically create a new database for this installation. We're going to say yes here, and then we need the terms of service, and you can click that to get more details. But we're going to say yes and yes, and we're going to hit install. And typically this takes about 30 seconds or so to set up the database and everything with the login. So here you see on this page, installation complete. Installation details, it have the location of where it was installed under the consulting domain WP tutorial 1, username BTech admin, and the password here. So let's cut and paste that because we will need it a little bit later to log in to the account. So let's do that, and we can view the install, or we can log in. So right now we're going to just view. Let's do a login actually, and that this is where we would do our template. So we did BTech admin, recall that, and again it would have sent us an email as well, and our password, which is the long password that we saved earlier. So we can hit login. And so what this does is take us to the administration piece that allows us to add a template or to edit the WordPress. Right now the site is there. It's created, and let's just go and look at it real quick. From this screen we can do a visit site if you look in the upper corner, and that will take us to the actual website that we just created. And this is the basic setup. Hello world. Welcome to WordPress. This is your first post, edit or delete, then start. So this is a WordPress site that's we've created in less than 5 minutes. And from there, you can do editing and customizations here. And we'll get into that in our next tutorial where we'll go back to the dashboard and then we will download a template that will help us to make our homepage look a lot nicer and professional. And we will use wordpress.org/themes. So again, in the next tutorial, we will have a theme that we would choose and go and complete the setup of the website. Okay, I hope this was enjoyable and I hope you learned something new.